Measure vertically to the second joint of the thumb against the lateral neck point. Align the 7th cervical vertebrae and measure vertically to the hip circumference. From the vertical direction of the guests, neck at 1/2 of the circumference of a circle. Pass under the armpits and circle around the highest point of the chest. Hold in the level. Measured vertically from the point of the shoulder and neck to the point of BP highest position of the chest. From the front, use a tape to measure around the body, in a circle horizontally across the BP point. Press both hands lightly on the customer's waist in the thinnest position. Through the thinnest part of the waist from back to front around the measurement of a circle. Standing on the side of the guest. Squat down to the line of sight and the guest to maintain the same height of the peak of the buttocks. Through the fullest part of the buttocks around the measurement of a circle. From the end of the left shoulder through the 7th cervical vertebrae. Arc measurement to the end of the right shoulder. According to the guest's body type, must make a more reasonable and accurate shoulder width size. Measure vertically from the end point of the shoulder at the appropriate position, usually at the second joint of the thumb. Thickest part of the upper arm. The tape measure rotates freely when a finger is placed inside the circle. Find the thinnest part of your wrist. Place the top of the tape on the thinnest part of the center of your wrist. Find the position of the guests to tie the belt. From back to front around the upper edge of the pant waist around the circle. The ruler can be free to rotate as appropriate. Measure along the outer seam of the pants to the customer's required length. By the center of the customer's back waist down through the crotch to the center of the front waist point of the length. At the waist width. Front view. Measure around the circumference horizontally through the base of the thighs. Looseness of one finger. The circumference of the knee circle can be adjusted to suit the guest's muscle tone. The circumference of the ankle circle can be changed according to the guest's requirements.